Hi, this is a small tutorial on how to connect Asterisk to an AI receptionist. So here I have an Asterisk server. Here I have sip.sippulse.ai or SIP proxy. This SIP proxy is, is in charge of providing security to our SipPulse AI media server, right? So this is all done on SIP. It's quite easy to configure. Here I have a phone, a micro SIP on the endpoint called E2. So I'll make a call here and I will connect to an AI receptionist here on SipPulse AI. And later I will transfer a call to a specific user. Okay, this is our Asterisk server. So let me go to cd/etc/asterisk and use vi bjsip.conf. Okay, here I have the pjsip.conf. As you can see, I'm reusing the pjsip.conf from the quick start to Asterisk. So I have some endpoints defined like E1 and E2, right? And also E1, E2, and E3, this is our simple endpoints, phones. I have a trunk SIP to a fake provider. This is what I use on training. And here at the end, I have created something called the trunk AI. So here's the trunk AI type endpoint. The context is from AI. The address of records, trunk AI AOR, from user 1011. Outbound authentication, trunk AI authentication. On the trunk AI authentication, I'm using this username and passwords to traverse the server, right? And trunk identify, I'm sending this to sip.sippulse.ai. So if you configure your trunk like this, you won't have any problems. Great. So this is what we have on Asterisk. Let me also check on extensions.conf. On the extensions.conf, I have some. This is from a previous tutorial where I was recording calls to external destinations. And this for this lab, I have created this extension, the 2488770, that I will add the +1209 extension at trunk.ai. So whenever I call 2488770, I will send to trunk AI +1209 and the number. And in from AI, I have created a context to receive the transfers. And in the context, I just use the playback TT monkeys. TT monkeys are monkeys. It's an interesting recording, funny recording on Asterisk. It will be very easy to see that we have transferred to to monkey. I could change this to have another phone here, but this is for now. For now, it's okay. Also, very important to pay attention here is the T, lowercase t and uppercase t. This allows the transfer. If you don't provide this letters, these options, the system won't be able to transfer on the transfer from the media server. So this is what we have created on the Asterisk server. So let me get out. And next, I will show you how to create the receptionist. And the third part of this demo, I'll show you how to connect to the receptionist. So I will edit this receptionist. And here we have instructions. So the context, you are digital receptionist for the office, a company specialized on networking, information security. This is actually one of my companies, the oldest one. Still working. We still do a lot of business on Wi-Fi site surveys and security, and there are a lot of services that we still provide there. It's nice. Here you have like the name, the role, the tone of voice, the responsibilities, transferred calls, the transfer rules. Do not provide detailed information. This is very important, do not use unpronounceable characters and do not mention destination URI to the customer. Initial greeting, company identification. Here it's round 2. Keep responses concise, and these are the extensions. And here I have created a list of extensions and departments on the company, right? Great. So this is the context. I will add some tools. So I have a tool to end the dialogue. It's a by tool. And I have also a tool to transfer the call. Just add the tool using, let's say, SIP. I already have all of them. You can add manual tools. You can add API integration. You can add internal functions like calculator, browser. You can use a lot of tools with the system. And finally, some parameters. I'll use temperature close to 0, and that's our receptionist. But the most important tool is actually the transfer call. Great. We can test this tools directly here on chat. So let's see. Let's try. Good morning. And let's see how the receptionist works. Good morning. And here you're seeing that we are using GPT-4.1 Mini, and we have those tools and dialogue and transfer the call. Good morning. Thank you for calling the office, your partner in network and information security. How may I assist you today? Let's say I need, what is it here? I need to talk to someone in finance. Okay. Okay, I'll transfer your call to your finance department now. Please hold a moment. And then he transferred the call to 85 and 73. If we look there on the agent, on the instructions, 8573 is the finance department. So it's transferring to the finance department. Perfect. So looking at the text, it's working just fine. Now let's go to the voice bots. We'll rename the session to voice agents. And then we'll have the receptionist demo. So here you can edit, and you can choose voices from OpenAI, from 11 Labs, Azure, PostTTS. That's our own voices. And let's use OpenAI, English, Alloy. Usually 11 Labs is the fastest, but the most expensive, so I'm going to use Alloy, that it's simpler. And here I have initial text. Hello, welcome to the office. How can I help you? And the speech to text model will be whisper chat. We could use other systems here. This is okay for now. And waiting tool, please wait while I process your information. So it's perfect. Let me save. We could test this on the WebRTC playground, but I'll go straight to the SIP configuration. So in the inbound trunk, I have a number. This number is very important. And I have the allowed IP address. The allowed IP address is the address of the SIP proxy. And that's it. So if I can send a call here to the system, right, to the AI server, it will answer and I will be able to transfer a call. Sounds great. So let me go back. Let me use SNGraph here to capture the traffic. I will also use phone. Okay, let's test the bot with this combination of OpenAI and Whisper Chat and GPT-4o Mini. Oh.
Hello, welcome to V Office. How can I help you?
Well, hello. May I talk to the finance department?
I will transfer your call to the finance department now. One moment, please.
Oh, and then in the finance department, we have TT monkeys. So it was a bit okay. If you experiment something like latency, you can change the models. Let's try a different model. You're going to see that we'll have even a better uh, latency. So let me go back to the system. Let's redefine the receptionist. And now let me use um, let me use 11 Labs Flash. And again, area is okay. Perfect. And also, I'll use the fastest model for agents. Let me come here on the agent. And instead of GPT-4.1, that it's a good model, but sometimes it answers with some delay. And I actually prefer right now Gemini 2 Flash. Gemini 2.5 Flash will be available soon, but it's still experimental. Gemini 2 will leave the experimental, and Gemini 2.5 will get the experimental tag. Great. So let's go back to our screen here and our phone. And now let's test with the new configuration. Okay.
Hello, welcome to the office. How can I help you?
Hello. May I talk to the finance department, please?
Sure, I will transfer you to the finance department.
Thank you. Okay, done. If you look at the invite here on the system, you're going to see that our bot has sent a refer to transfer the call, a refer to the uh, this is the refer to 8573. 8573 is the extension of the finance department. So it works perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video.